So guys, you all know that I am already eligible for YouTube monetization, but it is not the full monetization. No, you know, on YouTube you can monetize with 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours before you get to the 4,000 watch hours. So since I was already eligible for the 3,000 watch hours and 500 subscribers monetization, I decided to monetize my channel. And while I was doing that, I got stuck in my step two, which I shared with you people, and I got a lot of response from you people, and I want to say thank you. I decided to reach out to YouTube for them to be able to help me, because at the day I just folded my hands and was waiting for them to do something, and maybe I would have still be here today without no solution. So I decided to, because somebody commented on that video and told me that I should try and reach out to YouTube, or else it will remain like that. So I made the inquiry, I did research on how I can reach out to YouTube, and that is why I'm here today, to teach you people, in case nobody prays for problem, but in case maybe you know somebody that is facing problem with YouTube, like they have issues, so you can tell them on how they can go about it. So guys, I was able to reach out to YouTube, and they have been able to help me resolve the problem. So actually my step two was showing like this, the way you can see it on the screen now, but now it is showing this way. So the way it is now, I can actually restart my step two, because the way it was showing before, I wasn't able to restart it. I was not able to restart, but now I can restart it and make corrections. You get. So guys, I just wanted to watch this video because I'll be showing the screen record on how you can be able to reach out to YouTube, and you will get a reply from them before 24 hours. I'm telling you, it's not a joke. Before 24 hours you will get a reply from them. So guys, just watch and don't forget to share the video. So guys, you're going to click on your photo for you to be able to reach out to YouTube and make a complaint. Click on your photo, then swipe down and click on help and feedback. Click on it. This is how you report an issue to YouTube. You click on it, then you swipe down and you see where they wrote contact us, tell us more, and we will help you get there. So you click on it. So as you can see, the first question says tell us what we can help you with. That's the step one. So you click on it and type whatever it is that you want to type. So just type Google, for example, I'm just giving an example, Google AdSense problem, please help. So you click on next. When you are done, click on next, and as you can see, they will list out different stores for you here. So you choose the one that closer to the issue that you are facing. If it's not here, you click on order, but if it's there, you still leave it like that, or you click on order. So then you click on this next step. Because of what I clicked on, something like this came up. So then you click on next step. You just swipe down and you click on next step. Click on it. So this is the step 3. It actually has 3 steps. The first one is that you saw it just now, it has 3 steps. So this is the last step. So this one is in chat. Though when I did mine, I did not use this chat, I used email. So it depends on you. Maybe when you are trying yours, you want to go with chat, you can do that, or you want to go with email, you can do that. So this is the hour of operation. As you can see, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you see the time there. So you click on email. If you are using email, click on it. Sure that the email that you are signed in with is the one that you are having the issues with. I don't know if you get, like you are having issue with your YouTube channel, make sure you are signed in with that particular email address. If you are not signed in, so they will direct you here on how you can switch account. So you just click on it and switch to the particular email address, so that it will be easier for them to solve the problem. So you need to fill this form, your first name, your surname, please use your real name and your channel link. So you go and copy your channel link. I will advise you copy it, or you can minimize and then come back and continue. So you put your channel link here, and then the next question says how can we help you. So you still need to explain again what the issue you are facing is all about. So you can explain to them here. Just write it in a way it will be easy to understand. So when you are done, the next one is your issue about a specific video. If it's about a video, you say yes. if it's not about a video, you say no. Like for me, mine was a Google AdSense problem for my step 2. So it was not about a video, so it was about my channel. So I click on no, it's not about a specific video. But if it's about a particular video, you can click on yes. So the next question says, is this a request for verification? Please note that we are no longer accepting requests for verification. So mine was not a request for verification, and since they say they are no longer accepting requests for verification, so the best answer is no. So the next one is, please attach a file if it helps. Please attach a file if it helps to describe your issue. So what I did when I got here, I just had to screenshot that particular place I was having that issue, that Google AdSense, that step 2. I took the screenshot and I brought it here. So I clicked on this plus sign, and it took me to my gallery. This place the choose files. It took me to my gallery, and I was able to put the image there so that it will be easier for them to help me fast. So I clicked on submit, and then that was it. So guys, it's very, very easy. The reason why I did not feel it is because I just explained, and I hope you're able to understand through the explanation. So if you have any question to ask, please feel free to drop it on the comment section. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to share this video to somebody that needs it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.